Okay, hey everyone. This tutorial is going to be on how to use Screencast-o-matic so you can upload little videos and clips of teaching your customers how to do certain things with the website. So I'm going to put here, no, not that. I'm going to type in Screencast-o-matic and seeing how I use this site a lot. It's already in my browser. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to go here. And here's where you set up your account. You're going to click start recording here for free. And then since I already have an account, you can sign up here for free. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. And here is where you can save your videos here. What I do is I upload mine to YouTube, so it's easier for me to share with my customers. So here I'm going to launch recorder. I do this often. So and here it says it's already open. So because I'm showing you how to use it, but because I do this often, I just click here and hit launch recorder. So it's going to ask you questions. You're going to accept it. You're going to download it. Let me try to use a different account. So I'm going to sign up with one of my other emails to show you how to do it and create an account. And so I'm going to go to Yahoo, my Yahoo email, and verify. One moment. I'm going to go to Yahoo. There it is. I'm just verifying it through my phone. I'm going to click here. And when you create the account, it's going to ask you to go to your email to verify that the email address is correct. And wants me to copy in the link and verify everything. One moment. Okay, so now that I verified it, so now I could go back, click here, and I can go back and log in. One moment. Put this email back in. This is giving me technical difficulties.
Next time, don't send boys to a man's job. You understand? Now, wait, straight up. Beat the block.
Let me do it from the computer. I'm going to go here, just log into my Yahoo. See, here it's telling me to put the link, but it's not highlighted, so I'm just going to copy this and place it here. And then it's going to ask you to fill all this out. So I'm just going to use my dummy name, well, my middle name. Create your password. Then you're going to agree and click and click create account. So now it's created, and you're gonna launch this button here, and then you just start recording videos. Now, down here, see, I hope you can move this down. Hope you can see this. Okay, so when I'm done with the video, at the bottom left, there is a pause button, and you pause it, and then you're gonna it's gonna ask you to how you want to save your video. And like I stated before, I just upload my video to YouTube. That way, it creates a link, and you can just share it as opposed to downloading it to your computer and having it to, go through all that process. It's just easier to upload it to YouTube. So this is the end of this tutorial. I do apologize for the mishap with the email address and showing you how to do that. But that's pretty much how you use Screencast-o-matic. It's really easy. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me or ask me any questions that you may have. And thank you for watching.